there for you. You know, it takes qualifications to be paid by YouTube, but buy me a coffee. It only takes you being qualified to put in work. Shout out to putting in that work because we frequently do that. Appreciate that though. And y'all already know we're gonna go check out Coach Sherry's
They
channel
ultimately
and
make a purchase. And
pay.
there's different things that you're going to do.
Look
You
at
want to make sure that you
everybody
keep
me a
them in the
coffee
door.
because
You want
I'm
to make sure
pretty
your
sure she
bartenders are
got it
well
on
trained. You
her
can make good
link
recommendations.
also.
You're going to
You
make sure that
did?
the store is clean. You're going to do all these things, right? And a lot of times as dispensary owners, you put so much money into the actual physical location, as you should. You pay money for the signage. You have the big neon lights that say open now. You make sure that your shelving is correct and the paint is good and the finishes on the wall are great. And then you have the big TV with the menu in the back, right? You have all these different things, right? But the reality of things is that people are going to visit your website first and then decide how they're going to want to purchase on the inside. And I know you spent so much money already trying to make sure that your store is up to par with what you want, and then sometimes the website kind of falls to the wayside, right? So here's some key points that I want you to pay attention to if you want to go ahead and optimize your website. The first one is a well-optimized website makes it simple for visitors to buy products or sign up for updates, right? Let's not make things too complicated. Essentially, all we want to do is we want to make sure that the step that we want our visitors to take is easily visible step that they can see, right? And I know it makes sense, but a lot of times, a lot of people want to put animations and some video games on their websites of what I've seen, but having a simple call to actions on the website that say sign up for our VIP newsletter and get an X% discount off, or just simply shop now or buy now, right? Take a look at the header of their website because that's very, very important. Like I said, most improvement will come from your hero section. So your hero section is the top page of the website, right? It's the section that everybody sees. So typically you have your main motto, your main cultural message, whatever it is. I typically like to put best dispensary in insert city. I know it's something basic, but at least it's something that truly resonates with people that are looking online. And then the button will be shop now. Now, this will be different if you have different locations. So if you have one store and one location, it can be shop now. If you have 5 different locations, it might be a funnel that is a pop-up that then takes people to other websites. If you have 18 locations, maybe it's going to be a find your location, where then it takes you to a Google search, where then you can then go ahead and then find, or not a Google search, a map embed where you can see where all the locations are, and then your customers can go ahead and see it. You want to make sure your page is fast, and this goes without saying, right? How many times do you go online, website takes long to load, and then you exit? So you want to make sure that your website loads very quickly. For mobile accounts for 70% of your traffic or more. So with our clients, it's actually probably closer to 80%, right? And a lot of people design their website desktop optimized and not mobile optimized. So if you're not optimizing for mobile, then none of this matters because you're going to lose 70% of your traffic. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that the design philosophy of how your website is built out is also optimized for mobile as well. So your action items is 1, use Google Page Speed Insights to check your website speed. So you can go online and just Google Page Speed Insights, right? And then it will show you a number associated with how fast your website is, and then you can go ahead and see if your website is good, bad, or ugly. Who knows? But then you can go ahead and then get Google, YouTube. You can even take a look at some of my older videos to see how you can go ahead and optimize your website so it runs a lot faster. 2, regularly test the copy of images in your hero section. Like I said, this hero section is a section of your website where everyone sees. It's that main section. Don't gummy it up with a massive logo and say, this is what I want to do, right? Have specific call to actions that are related to what your customers want. They're on your website. They know who you are. They probably don't care very much about your logo itself, unless you're some crazy luxury brand that I haven't heard of, right? But in 99.9% of the cases, you want to say, we are the best dispensary located in your city, because that's all they want to know. The next is you want to give your phone to the oldest person you know and ask them to purchase something. So this is a little bit funny, but a little bit serious. It doesn't have to be the oldest person you know, but if you give your phone to somebody that associates themselves as technologically disabled or technologically slow or whatever it is, right, and they can make a purchase on your website, then you know you have a killer website.
Speaking about giving your phone, although this one's cracked, you can see we over here on Coach Sherry's channel on YouTube. Like I said, the only thing you gotta do is click on her channel, and then you're gonna go over there, and then you see it right there at the bottom of her links that she has. Shout out to her, buy me a coffee. You dig? Shout out to Coach Sherry. You see what I'm saying? Let's see what she got cracking on her, buy me a coffee. Because this is a buy me a coffee video. We have videos to review. This is like a 36-minute interview with my guy, but he dropping all facts. So you know how we do. We gonna get it all done because that's our homework for today. You dig? Y'all gonna do it with me, right? Y'all got me. Anyways, y'all see, she says buy her a smile. I appreciate that because she got that. Y'all see the smile? Y'all see the smile? Yeah, buy her a smile today. You dig? Y'all over there and support Coach Mary. Let's see what all she got over here. She got memberships and some posts. Looks like she needs to be working on some extras and commissions. And put them products and services over there too. Yeah, she's got some highly active supporters over here. You see a couple people done bought her some coffees. Y'all see that? Then let's see about Coach Sherry. Content to inspire, motivate, and transform others. And I've already co-signed her on that because I've already said that's one of the big homies. Y'all know to go check out Coach Sherry. Appreciate her for stopping by my buy me a coffee. Because like I said, we got it filled out for you. You did got you a prime example of everything and how to fill it out. Put your products in there. These are how the freebies look. You can go ahead and do freebies too. That way it ain't always about, oh, well, I don't want them to think I'm grifting. Well, you ain't got to grift. Hell, they can pick up
from a
info for
conversion perspective.
free.
When you look at your website,